Nestled on the hillside overlooking Balmoral, an Edwardian villa has been given a fresh decorative approach by the talented team at Studio Gorman. This project, named Clifton Gardens, was designed to breathe new life into a family home, transforming it into an elegant retreat for a couple of empty nesters ready for a change. The renovation showcases Studio Gorman's exceptional ability to blend sophistication and comfort, resulting in a home that honors its past while embracing a bright, new future. Initially, the project began with a focus on redecorating the master bedroom. However, as the design team delved deeper, the scope expanded to encompass almost every room in the house, including bathrooms, living and music rooms, the entry, stair, study, and additional bedrooms. The strategy was to create a harmonious blend of textures and occasional bold strokes of color to instill warmth and sophistication throughout the home. The transformation of the master bedroom is a highlight of the Clifton Gardens project. A central bedhead was designed to reorient the room's outlook towards the harbor view, immediately improving the flow and aspect while enhancing a feeling of spaciousness. By expanding into an adjacent bedroom, the design team created a generous walk-in robe and a spacious ensuite that replaced the original, diminutive bathroom. This reconfiguration provided the master suite with the grandeur and functionality befitting the home and its owners. The design of Clifton Gardens is anchored by a sophisticated base of ecru and ivory, punctuated with rich accents of emerald and royal blue. This palette serves as a canvas for layering various textures and decorative embellishments, from flooring to lighting. Warm chocolate timber, chunky sisal carpet, subtly sophisticated seagrass wallpaper, luxurious soft linens, and bold velvets are seamlessly integrated throughout the spaces, creating a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. In a nod to sustainability and sentimentality, the design team opted to recover and reinvigorate existing furniture rather than replace it. This approach allowed the preservation of pieces with sentimental value while infusing them with new life through contemporary fabrics and finishes. The result is a harmonious blend of old and new, providing continuity and comfort for the homeowners. Lighting plays a crucial role in the transformation of Clifton Gardens. Dramatic and elegant light fittings were chosen to complement the sophisticated interiors, adding a touch of glamour and refinement. Custom drapery, art, and bespoke joinery further elevate the design, providing a polished and personalized touch to each room. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Clifton Gardens project is the respectful reimagining of a home that has been well-loved and well-worn over decades of family life. Studio Gorman's design response honors the history and memories embedded in the home while presenting it in a new light. The clients genuinely appreciated the familiarity and comfort of their family home being preserved, while also experiencing the excitement and wonder of seeing it transformed. The excellence of Studio Gorman's work lies in the personal nature of the design response. By recognizing the classic shapes of pre-owned furniture and redressing them in contemporary fabrics, the design team was able to create spaces that feel both familiar and fresh. Materials with an artisanal quality were carefully curated for new bathrooms, while custom joinery in the study was boldly designed to meet the minutiae of the client's needs. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that every aspect of the home is tailored to the couple's lifestyle and preferences. The transformation of Clifton Gardens brings a completely new energy to the home, one that cannot be underestimated. The reworked spaces feel both familiar and new, providing a fresh face that is utterly in keeping with the heritage of the Edwardian villa. The personal and respectful approach taken by Studio Gorman has resulted in a home that the clients can continue to cherish and enjoy for many more years to come. The Clifton Gardens project by Studio Gorman is a masterful example of how thoughtful design can breathe new life into a beloved family home. By blending sophistication with comfort, and honoring the home's history while embracing the future, the design team has created an elegant retreat that perfectly suits the needs of its owners. This transformation stands as a testament to the power of great design to create spaces that are both beautiful and deeply personal.